Hi, my name is Charles Wall and this is my CS50 final project, the monthly finance dashboard. This is a full stack Flask website application that calculates take-home pay under UK tax rules and tracks financial snapshots over time. I'll start by creating an account. Passwords are securely hashed before being stored in an SQLite database, and user sessions are managed using Flask session. Now I'm logged in and taken to the dashboard. Here I can enter annual salary, pension contribution percentage, student loan plan, monthly expenses and savings. When I submit the form, the backend calculates income tax, national insurance and student loan repayments, and pension contributions. First, I'll deliberately enter expenses that exceed my income. Instead of crashing, the app shows a user-friendly validation message explaining that total monthly outgoings exceeds net income. This logic is handled server-side before rendering results. Now I'll enter realistic numbers. Here we see a breakdown table showing monthly tax, national insurance, student loan, pension, living costs, savings, net monthly income and disposable income. Next to it is a pie chart built using chart.js. The tooltip is customized to show both the currency value in pounds and the percentage allocation. Each time I submit this form, a new financial snapshot is saved to the database rather than overwriting previous data. Now if I change just one field, increasing savings, and leave everything else blank, the application keeps the previous values for empty fields and only updates the fields that I changed. The history page shows all snapshots ordered chronologically. At the top are summary cards showing the latest net income, latest savings and total number of entries, and below that are two line charts, one for net monthly income over time and one for savings over time. These charts demonstrate time series tracking rather than just static calculations. Briefly, this is the project structure. app.py contains all routes and financial logic. Templates contain layout, dashboard and history pages, and finance database stores users and financial snapshots. This function models UK progressive income tax bands. It subtracts personal allowance and then applies different rates depending on income threshold. Here's the validation logic that checks if total monthly expenses exceed net income. If they do, the route renders an error message instead of continuing. This prevents invalid financial states. Instead of updating a single row, each submission inserts a new record with a timestamp. This design choice allows historical tracking and trend visualization. The history route retrieves all snapshots for the logged in user, recalculates net monthly income dynamically, and passes the data to the template as JSON for chart.js to render the line graphs. Overall, this project combines authentication, database modeling, financial computation, validation, multi-page navigation, and data visualization into a complete financial dashboard.